Programming the Genie logic relay is very simple. We have a work area here which comprises a set of rungs. There are a total of 150 lines that we can add code into. We can pull it right down. Across each line we have provision for 3 contacts or 3 inputs and 1 coil or 1 output. We also have an area here where we can put comments in. Down here we have a toolbar which lists all the tools or all the components that we can actually use in a program. We have inputs, and these connect to the input contacts on the relay. We have outputs, which are the relay outputs on the relay. And we have auxiliary contacts. These are the internal contacts which never go to the outside world, and we can use these for both contacts and coils. We have onboard counters that we can use, a total of 16 counters. We have timers, so we can have 16 timers. We have time switches, so we can make things happen at a time of day. We can do counter compares, so when a counter gets to a particular figure, we can make something happen. If we're using the analog input version of the logic relay, we have analog inputs as well. We have text messages which can be brought up on the screen, and we have soft keys on the logic relay which we can use as inputs also. As I switch these, or stepping through the note that the square here is changing. These are the individual components listed down here, and we can put comments beside them to nominate what we have. So if I want to put an input onto the unit, then I just come to here, I select my input I want to use, which is input 1, and I'm going to paste it over here. So all I've done is click on it, then move my mouse to the place where I want it, and then left click on it again. And I've just labelled this one here, input 1. You see it is ticked there to say that it's already been used. If I want to put an internal contact on that row, I can pick up an M1 and I can paste it in the coil position. Now if this contact closes, the internal coil closes. If I want to change the polarity of the input, I can make that so it looks like a normally open or normally closed. By right clicking on it I can change it. So it's now normally closed. Right click on it again, it's normally open. If I want to add a second contact in series, I might want to put a contact here, and I might want to make that a normally closed contact. So this is input 1 or terminal 1 on the relay, this is input 2 or terminal 2 on the relay, and this one never goes anywhere. If I now want to use this coil here to operate an output, I can come over here, click back on 1 again, and I can put this onto the beginning of the row there. And I might want to make it come to an actual relay output. I click down here, pick up a Q1, and put that there. The program has automatically pasted the line right across the two there. So here we have a situation where if the input here closes, input 2 stays in its normal mode, which is open. We will close the input coil here. When that closes, we will close the output relay on the unit. Very simple little program, but illustrates how easy it is to actually go through and set things up.